Hi guys, Andrews here from Approval Studio, and this is another release notes video. This time we are going to talk about the changes introduced in the April 2024. So I want to say thank you to all the people who were active after the previous release. We received a huge feedback from you and we'll listen carefully. So this release is based purely on your feedback, purely on your requests. So first thing, in the last release, we introduced the folder view. A great feature that you really liked, and as you know, when creating the project under the folder, you are able to set up the default values for those 4 custom fields. Though the main question from you was, why didn't we add the ability to set up the default project owners? So we listened to you and we added this functionality. From now on, when you create the folder or when you create a project under the folder with the default fields and default project owners, your projects will inherit those values. So you can now create the projects with default project owners, 2, 3, 4 people, as many as you need. Plus, we created another default folder called Shared Projects. This folder will make your projects available to all your teammates. For example, you have completed the project and now you want everyone to be available to go there and to use those artworks in the further projects, in the further jobs. So all you need to do, you just need to move this project to this shared folder. I hope you will enjoy it. Another great feature is hidden under settings, and I'm sure you will like it. So if you go to company management, in here you will navigate to branding. You will see the big button, set up custom domain. That's right, we are adding the custom domain functionality. As you know, to access Approval Studio, you need to go to app.approval.studio. So from now on, you can set up your own custom domain, like your company name, approval.studio, and the same will be inherited by the files that you are sharing now. It will not be the generic ProofX Approval Studio, but it will be your company name, Approval Studio. So your clients will see that this is your Approval Studio, not some kind of tool. And another change also under branding in here, and another thing that you've been requesting is a custom email sender name. As you know, by default, all the email invitation are being sent on behalf of this Approval Studio mailer. So you can now rename the from field here. So the emails would go from your company name or from your personal name. Just type in the proper name in this field, save it, and you're good to go. So this is for the customization. Another big thing here is hidden under the review tool. Traditionally, we're adding something to the review tool, and this time it's the trend of the last year is the AI helper. So you have a new button here that calls the AI helper, and basically this is the ChatGPT in your pocket. You can use this tool to get the information about trends, to get the information about your products, to get the information about the proper translation, and so on and so on. Many cases, all you need to do is to initiate this chat and ask questions. For example, what to wait in the new release of Approval Studio. And while ChatGPT is giving us the answer, I will give you mine. We have something great coming in the next release. I will not tell you what it is, but if you pay close attention, you probably already know the answer. If you don't, well, it's going to be a good surprise for you. Let's talk about other things that we added. First of all, we added discounts and coupons, and those people who are just thinking about subscribing to Approval Studio, I have great news for you. You can contact me directly and get 50% coupon for 50% discount coupon for the first months of Approval Studio Lite or Pro package, whatever you are choosing. But if you're an existing user, we also have good news for you. We have added the affiliate program, so you can now invite your colleagues to set up their own Approval Studio accounts and get real reward for this. I will share the link for the affiliate program down below in the comments, so you can join and get the feedback for promoting Approval Studio. Thanks again for watching this video. We are waiting for your feedback. We are waiting for your ideas on what to improve in Approval Studio and what functionality you would like to see in the next versions. And as I said, stay tuned because we have something great coming. We'll see you in the chat. We'll see you in the live meetings.